can't believe that. I didn't know they were number one. I thought it was a different dog that was number one. Huh. Oh, look. Same breed. They're number one also. How can you be number one? Multiple dogs be number one. Huh. I'm so confused. How can multiple dogs be number one? Oh, look. Got you a flower. Fine. We're number one. 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 What exactly is it to be number one mean? What does it mean? You know what? This isn't gonna work out with me doing all the talking all the time. And you get all the credit. Seriously? He's in a mood. Anyway, let's talk about number one. What's in a word? Number one, stats, rankings. What you'll see advertising is maybe multiple dogs can be number one. Well, that's accurate. They each have their own category. Breed, all breed, grand champion points, owner handler points. So make sure you look at the bottom. There should be an asterisk that says what they are number one in, because you could be number one in a lot of things. And I will say, right now, Crom is the number one Cane Corso at my house. Say something. Say something. Say something. He's a little shy. But what? He still gets all the credit. You still get all the credit? Do you still get all the credit? See, this may be an indication that being silent could be a good idea. I'm just saying. Hey, tell them real quick that they make sure that they read the stats through the month that we are in. That's right. So to put it in our language, make sure that you check the dates for the stats. They are, obviously, you can't see who is number one through the end of the year, probably until late, mid to middle January, when all the stats are calculated up properly. So make sure you check the date. That is something that's super important. Will you just please tell them about going to Canine Chronicle stats and typing it in? Seriously? The other thing is Canine Chronicle, they are the most up-to-date resource when it comes to finding your stats online. caninechronicle.com, and then you click on statistics, it pulls up all the information. Have a great day. Love you guys. What's in a word? Number.